Welcome to the recorded demo video of Water Connection Management System for Citizen. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Citizen Login option on the system interface to access the Citizen functions. Upon selecting Citizen Login, the user will be directed to the ePraman sign-in page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, tick the I consent checkbox, and then click on the Sign In button. After successfully sign in, the user will be redirected to the Citizen dashboard. Select the Water Connection option under the Water section on the dashboard to perform actions related to water services. Upon selecting the Water Connection option, the user will be redirected to the Water dashboard. Proceed by selecting the Apply New Connection option to access the application form for a new water connection. Before proceeding to the water connection form, the user must select the ULB. The user must fill in all the required details in the registration form, including connection through, holding or SAF number. After entering the holding number, details such as owner type, ward number, total area, PIN code, and address are automatically filled in. Fill in the remaining details, including type of request, usage type, category type, pipeline type. After completing the required details, tick the declaration checkbox. Then proceed by clicking the Submit Form button. Your application has been submitted successfully. A confirmation message will be displayed along with the generated application number and the option to upload documents. Proceed by selecting the Upload Document button to upload the required documents. The required document list will be displayed, including the water connection document and owner identification document. Select the document type under Address Proof, then click the Browse File button to choose the file. After selecting the file, click the Submit button. Select the document type under Holding Proof, then click the Browse File button to choose the file. After selecting the file, click the Submit button. Similarly, the user will upload all the required documents one by one in this manner. After uploading all the required documents, proceed by selecting the Pay Now button to make the payment. The total payable amount will be displayed along with the payment options. Upon clicking the Payment button, all available payment options will be displayed. Select your preferred payment method and complete your payment. To view the payment receipt, navigate to the Payment History option and select View Receipt. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.